What if your AI assistant could laugh at your jokes, remember your favorite coffee order, or comfort you when you're down? Today, we're unveiling the secrets behind the AI Humanizer, the toolkit that transforms cold, coded responses into genuinely warm conversations. Today, we'll cover why AI still sounds robotic, 4 core humanizing techniques, a live demo of our AI-to-human converter, plus the ethics you need to consider. Grab a coffee, settle in, and let's get started. Literal language. Eyes take everything too literally. If you ask, how's the weather, and you get, it is currently 70 degrees, where's the personality? Next. Lack of context. Most bots forget past conversations immediately. No memory equals no rapport. Then we have monotone delivery, flat syntax, no variation in tone. And finally, missing empathy. Robots don't feel, so they can't comfort. Technique number 1. Tone shaping prompts. Guide your AI with prompts like, reply casually as if you're chatting with a friend. Technique number 2. Context windows give your bot a short-term memory. Technique number 3. Emotional tagging. I'm sorry to hear, that goes a long way. Technique number 4. Conversational fillers. Aha. Rhetorical questions, natural pauses. Technique number 5. Personal narratives. Share relatable anecdotes. Ready to see these in action? Our live demo starts next. Here's our baseline AI. Listen to this. Hello. How may I assist you today? Now, the humanized version. Hey there. How can I help you today? I hope you're doing well. Customer support with a frustrated user. User, my order never arrived. I'm so sorry to hear that. Let me check on your order right now. Creative brainstorming. Bland suggestion. You could write an article about AI. Humanized suggestion. You know what? How about a fun listicle, 5 ways AI will change your morning routine? Now, watch out for 2 ethical red flags coming up. First, consent and transparency. Always tell users they're talking to AI. Second, bias and fairness. Set guardrails to avoid offensive replies. Third, privacy. Handle user data with utmost care. And avoid the uncanny valley. To human can be unsettling. Looking ahead, we'll see ultra-realistic voice synthesis, emotional AI that detects your mood in real time, and multimodal interactions combining text, voice, and facial cues. Your role. Shape ethical, engaging AI for tomorrow. Today we covered why AI sounds robotic, 5 humanizing techniques, a live demo, and the ethics you need. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment with your favorite technique, and subscribe. A deep dive into emotional AI coming soon. Thanks for watching.